Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at PEPE Ascension, a new crypto project that's been getting attention in the community. We'll cover what it's all about, how it works, tokenomics, and what makes it stand out from the crowd. From roadmap to use cases. We'll break it down in simple terms so you can understand the full picture. So let's jump in. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, your investments are your responsibility.
Yo guys, now we're at the interface of the project PEPE Ascension. And before we get started and before we navigate the interface, let's see what exactly is PEPE Ascension. So this project positions itself as more than just another meme coin. It's built around a layer 2 blockchain, which means it runs on top of Ethereum, but is designed to process transactions faster with lower fees, okay? So according to the team, PEPE Ascension offers seamless bridging between Ethereum and the PEPE chain, minimal transaction cost, and throughput that's reportedly 100 times quicker than Ethereum. Okay, so in simple terms, they're trying to mix the fun, viral energy of meme coins with the real infrastructure improvements. That's what makes it different from just a typical token drop. Okay, so let's take a look at the platform itself. When you land on the website, you're greeted with a final pre-sale countdown showing how much time is left to buy tokens below the listing price. Right in the middle, there is a section to choose your network. Ethereum is available, and you can also select other options depending on updates. So next you enter how much Ethereum you want to spend, and the system automatically shows you how much PEPE you'll receive. There are also clear button for connect your wallet. So if you want to buy using MetaMask or another Web3 wallet, and buy with card for people who prefer a more traditional payment option. Okay. So what I like is that there are other visual cues like reward tires at $200 and $500, which unlock different bonuses. On the right side, the site highlights what PEPE Ascension is all about: faster transaction, minimal cost, and bigger rewards for users. So now let's break down the tokenomics. The total supply is 8 billion tokens. Here is how it's distributed. So 37.5% project development. So almost half the supply is dedicated to pre-sale and building a strong foundation. So 20%, as you see, staking and rewards to fuel liquidity pools and decentralized exchanges, ensuring a healthy trading environment. And 10% dual rewards. This means holders get special bonus distributions captured at the token generation event, okay? And 10% marketing, reserved for awareness campaign and making sure the token is widely accessible. And 7.5% liquidity to support trading pairs and keep the market active. And finally, 5% team, reserved for initiatives and long-term growth. Overall, the setup shows that the majority is going toward development and rewards, which is fairly typical for new blockchain projects. So guys, next up is the roadmap. The team lays it out in 3 main phases. Phase 1, the awakening. So launch of the PEPE token. Second, community building with early supporters and partnerships to establish a solid foundation. And third, partnership to establish a solid foundation. Phase 2, the great eruption. The pre-sale begins with exclusive rewards for early adopters, expansion of the meme kingdom through community and exposure. Phase 3, ascension to layer 2. This is the big one, so the official launch of the PEPE layer 2 blockchain, marking the start of their golden era. So each phase follows a logical path: start small, reward early believers, and then roll out the main blockchain tech. So if you're curious how to actually buy PEAP tokens, here's the step by step. First, connect your wallet. MetaMask is the easiest option if you're on desktop. The second point is select the network. Ethereum is currently the primary option. Enter how much Ethereum you want to spend, click buy and confirm the transaction in your wallet. And finally, if you don't want to use crypto, you can also buy with card directly through the site. After that, you purchase tokens, show up in your wallet once the pre-sale is complete. So to wrap things up, PEPE Ascension is aiming to be more than just a meme coin. By launching its own layer 2 blockchain, it's promising faster, cheaper, and more rewarding transactions. The tokenomics show a focus on development and rewards, while the roadmap outlines a steady path from pre-sale to blockchain launch. Okay, of course, keep in mind that every crypto project comes with risks, especially new ones. Always double check the white paper, socials, and official updates before making any decision. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto walkthrough, and let me know your thoughts about PEPE Ascension in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.